Today I've come armed. I've got the telephoto as well as the macro lens. I came on Saturday with just the macro lens, but the temperature was so low, it was cold and there wasn't really any chance of getting any good insect shots. Ironically, I didn't have this with me and there were absolutely loads of birds, so very frustrating. Today it's a lot warmer. I have the telephoto, I've also got the macro, so between the two lenses, let's hope with a bit of luck we should be able to get some decent pictures today. Well, so far today it's been really good. The birds are lining up to be photographed. And you get other days where you never see a bird. But this last couple of days has been amazing. I'm looking at what looks like an ostrich in a tree. And it isn't an ostrich in a tree, it just looks like one. Well, that was a little encounter on the wild side. An unexpected visitor from the public. Often happens, it's happened in the past before. I've actually been ready to take a photograph and somebody's come up behind me and said, "Hello, how are you doing?" And the bird's flown away. Very frustrating. There are many ways, but there are two main ways of doing actual insect macro photography. And one is to use available light, which gives a nice soft effect. What you lose on in the sharpness, you gain the aesthetic look, which is quite nice. From a more technical point of view, using flash really sharpens the picture up a lot. So what I like to do is try and mix the two, so that I get photographs with available light and other ones with flash. Well, it's been a brilliant day. I've come to the end of the trail. I'm gonna get myself way home, get the frying pan on, and after I've had something to eat, I'm dying to look and see what the images are like. So we'll check it out and we'll put them on the screen, the best ones anyway.